Hi, I'm Cindy Metz with Reisdorf Metz & Partners, and I'm here to introduce our newest listing at 14002 North 57th Way in Scottsdale, Arizona. This home was completely remodeled by Mistry Homes, LLC, and is being offered at $750,000.
Hi, my name is Faisal Mistry, and I come from a family that has been involved in construction for generations. For me, this is not only a business, but a passion and hobby. Our business model is to convert an aging structure into a modern, smart home that is both functional and integrated into an owner's lifestyle. In every project, we not only pay close attention to aesthetics, but also core elements hidden behind the walls, floor, roof, and other areas which are not visible. Our goal is to give life to a gracefully aging property that can be cherished by generations to come.
This home features the desirable open concept and has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths in the main home. Plus, there is a bonus detached casita that has a kitchenette, family room, bedroom, and bath. This home is an entertainer's paradise with this oversized island, complete with a farmhouse sink, beautiful white shaker-style cabinetry, custom backsplash, and the very popular stainless Kitchenaid appliances. We couldn't let you miss the master bathroom. It has been done with quality construction and trending finishes. You'll notice that he used the quartz countertops and did a beautiful accent wall with tile. If you want more information on this home or others by Mistry Homes LLC, please reach out to us at Reisdorf Metz & Partners.